Hello friends. I remember 6 years ago, my financial condition was not so good. But when I learned the technique of money management, I became a financially freedom. So in this video, I'm going to tell you some technique of financial money management and how to become a financially freedom. And if you use this technique, if you use this method of money management, then definitely you will also become a financially freedom. Most of people's problem are they are not managing their money. Earning of money is not a problem in this India, but money management is the problem. Because of that only, people are remain poor. So, see, in a family, suppose there is a micro family, then minimum one candidate earn the money. If big family, then more than one person earn the money. So, earning is not a problem, but how to manage? They are not managing their money. That's why they have not get the money, and that's why they have not balanced the money. So, money management is very important. No matter how much you earn the money, but if you manage your money in well organized way, then you can become a millionaire. Yes, you can become a millionaire. See, whatever you earn the money, if you save this money in different six account, then you can manage this properly. So I will tell you, for that you have to open six account, and you deposit your earning money in six account percentage wise. And if you do such way, then you can manage your money properly. So see, first account is education account. Whatever you earn, save the money 5% in this education account. What is use of this education account? You can use the money of this account for your education, for your education of general knowledge, for your professional education. Shortcutly, you have to sharpen your brain. Most people are not spent on education. That's why they do not get knowledge, current knowledge. They do not update themselves. That's why they can't manage their money. They can't do the job properly. They can't progress in their job. They can't progress in their life also. So if you spend some money on your sharpen the brain, then it is very important for updating yourself. So 5% you have to spend on your education. Second account is donation account. Whatever you earn, minimum 5% you have to put in this account for donation. And you have to donate needy people around you. Yes, it is very important. And this habit is everyone should have such a habit, donation habit, because we are alive because of this nature. We get air because of this nature. We get shadow because of all this tree. We get light because of sun. We are because of this nature. So we have a responsibility of giving them something that we earn, and for that 5% we have to deposit this in this donation account. Third account is fun account. Every one person want to enjoy in this life. So for that also we have to make the arrangement, and we have to make the 5% for this account for enjoyment. Yes, if you have a dream, wishes, then use this fund for that. If you want to brought new clothes, take the money from this account. You want to take a new item in your home, then use this fund. Because this fund account should not, your enjoyment should not exist this fund account money. It is very important. If it exists, then it will become an imbalance of money. So it is very important to take the care of this fund account. Whatever money in fund account, that much you have to spend. Fourth account is financial freedom account. Yes, financial freedom account. And this is also very important when there is big problem, then use this fund. If in your family then you have some big problem, maybe someone member get a major problem like a major disease like heart attack, accident, like this major problem with your family, then use this fund for that. And if you have such a fund, then your mind will calm and cool. And you know, when your mind will calm and cool, then it becomes a very creative. And when it becomes a creative, then you get more work, you do more work, and when you do more work, you earn more money. So this account is very important, and it use only when you have such a major problem. Otherwise, you deposit only and forgot. And 10% money you have to deposit in this account. So that, see, if you earn money yearly 5 lakhs rupees, then 10% is 50,000. 50,000 yearly you deposit in this account. After 10 years, you have 5 lakhs. And interest plus interest, 5 lakhs plus interest, it will become nearly about 8 lakhs. If you have 8 lakhs, then your mind will become cool and calm and cool. So you will not get any tension. If there is a major problem also, you can face without any tension. So it is very important, and this account is very important. Now fifth account. Fifth account is long-term account. Yes, long-term account. Means you have some big project. You have to purchase home, you have to children's higher education, you have to spend the money for children's higher education, home interior, daughter's marriage. All these project need more money. For that, this fund is you have to use, and in this fund you have to deposit 10% of your earning. So you can do good, you can do well organized money for this big project also. And last but not least, sixth account is saving and investment account. This is very important. In this account, minimum 50% to 25% you have to deposit. Yes, this is very important account. More than 25% also you have to deposit. If there is a balance, if there is a balance money, you have a balance money, then you can deposit all this money in this account, saving and investment account. And from this saving and investment account, you withdraw and deposit in different accounts like a SIP account, mutual fund account, share account, bonds account, property account. All these different accounts you have to remove from this account, saving and investment, and invest in this account. Profit of this 6 or 7 account like a SIP account, mutual fund account, profit of all these account, remove and redeposit in the saving and investment account. So your money is increasing and increasing. लोग बोलते हैं ना, पैसों से पैसा कैसा कमाना, बिकॉज फॉर दैट दिस अकाउंट यू हैव टू यूज. You earn money from money because of this account. So this account is very important, very important. My dear friends, 5% education account, 5% donation account, 10%, 5% fund account, 15%, 10% your future investment account, 15, 10, 25, 10% long term account, 35 or 15% saving and investment account. 50% you have to save in this 6 account. Now 50% you have to use for daily expenses like your ration, like your grocery in your home, need a grocery in your home, light bill, net charges, all these things, daily expenses, monthly expenses, you have to spend on this 50%. But generally 30% is using, but I will tell you 50%. If there is some balance, then invest in saving and investment account. So my dear friends, what is minimum requirement for this saving? What is minimum requirement? Tell me, what is minimum requirement? You have discipline for all this saving. You have to discipline. You have to discipline. For that 3 rule you have to follow. Don't purchase emotionally. My friend purchased this TV, this type of TV. That's why I also purchased. Stop this emotional purchase. My friends went their trip, so that I also went with him. Stop emotionally doing like this. Second, don't compare. Don't compare. Never brought this, that's why I brought. No, stop this emotionally and comparatively purchasing. And don't being mindless. मूड आया तो किया, मूड आया इसीलिए होटलिंग किया, मूड आया इसीलिए शॉपिंग किया. नो, स्टॉप ऑल दिस. बिकॉज my dear friends, money is very, very important. Use it smartly. Use it smartly and manage it in well organized way. So you can do lot of things that you need to help for growing your life. Yes, if you do this smartly, then you can grow in your life and you get a happy. You get a happiness. Yes, my dear friends. You know, only 1% people earn 99% money in this world, and 99% people earn only 1% money. Why? Because these 99% people don't manage their money. This is the reason they don't get money. So my dear friends, earn money. Whatever you earning money, manage it in well organized way. You will get the financial freedom. This is Sagar Chavan. We'll meet you in next video. Thank you. Thank you.